Okay. Al. Hi there. It's Dad. Wake up.
Okay.
Wake up.
July 14th. Al just woke up from his nap.
Al, wake up.
Wake up, sleepyhead!
Al.
He's still a little bit tired, so let's just leave him alone.
No. Let's air horn him.
Okay.
Now, aim the camera good. Aim the camera at your brother. Plug your ears.
Whoa. That made me kind of move it. Because that startled me.
Okay, Al, wake up. Al. It's July 4th. And Al had a little too much fun at the 4th of July parade. Not waking up. Al, come on.
So he took a little snooze.
Yeah. I don't want to wake up. Let me sleep. Come on, wake up. Let's air horn him.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Can you see this in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. That's enough. Let's set him up. Okay, let's just set him up. Al,